Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing two big names in the CRM world, Copper and HubSpot. If you are trying to decide which one is better for you and your business, you are in the right place. So let's break it down. So first up, Copper. Copper is a powerful CRM design especially for business using Google Workspace. If your team rely on Google Workspace like Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, then Copper integrates smoothly with Team. This make it a great choice if you want to keep everything in one place and boost your productivity. It's built to manage customer relationships and project, especially for medium to large businesses that you need a more sophisticated system. On the other side, if I talk about HubSpot, this is one of the most popular CRM platform out there, known for its super friendly interface and scalability. It's perfect for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to big enterprise. HubSpot offers a full suite of tools like CRM, email marketing, sales management. What's great about HubSpot is its free version, which allows you to get started without spending anything. As your business grow, you can upgrade to more advanced feature with the paid option. So if I talk about the comparison, Copper is an excellent choice if your business already uses Google Spaces like Google Workspaces, and you want a seamless integration with Google Gmail and Calendar, then this is the best for you. And on the other hand, HubSpot is perfect if you need a simple, scalable CRM that grows with your business. It's easy to use and it comes with variety of feature like marketing automation, sales tracking, and customer support tools. The free version is a big plus when if you are just trying your business and starting out. So when it comes to pricing, HubSpot offers a free plan, but you need to unlock for full potential. You will need to move to the paid plan. The paid option can get pricey depending on the feature you need. However, HubSpot is a good value for the money, especially considering the level of support and featuring it offers. And Copper doesn't have any free version and it's generally more expensive than HubSpot. But for the businesses that need advanced CRM features and they are already using Google tools, the price might be worth for the added functionality. So basically, if you are a small business or just starting, HubSpot might be better for you. And if you have a scaled business already using Google Workspaces, then obviously Copper is the right choice for you. So basically there was it. Both Copper and HubSpot are fantastic tools, but the right one for you depends on your business needs. And if you think this video helped you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.